What's up po sa inyong lahat? Hello Vlogs TV subscribers and supporters. How are you doing today? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Jason. I am the creator of Vlogs TV channel. I am a teacher here in the Philippines and a YouTuber as well. I want to share my vlogs to everyone who might find my content useful. I talk about informative topics in my videos on my YouTube channel. If you like my content, please do click the red subscribe radio button on YouTube and please click on the notification bell as well to be updated on my latest videos. You can find more of my contents on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram too. Are you looking for videos about Google Meet streaming application? If that is so, this vlog is what you've been looking for. Content. What a better way to boost your business sales or connect with your audience than with a live broadcast from your phone from anywhere you want using live streaming apps. Now, we all know that live video streaming doesn't need no further introduction. It simply can display millions of words by the help of instant internet connectivity. In general, thanks to smart mobile phones, we can now have communication that can easily be broadcasted and enjoyed. All the live streaming apps work just fine with any regular phone camera and microphone, unlike desktop computers and laptops that require a dedicated webcam and external microphone. Let's go. Meet from anywhere. Get the whole crew together in Google Meet, where you can present business proposals, collaborate on chemistry assignments, or just catch up face to face. Businesses, schools, and other organizations can live stream meetings to 100,000 viewers within their domain. Meet on any device. Invited guests can join an online video conference from their computer using any modern web browser, no software to install. On mobile devices, they can join from the Google Meet app. Meet clearly. Google Meet adjusts to your network speed, ensuring high-quality video calls wherever you are. New AI enhancements keep your calls clear even when your surroundings aren't. Meet with everyone. With live captions powered by Google's speech recognition technology, Google Meet makes meetings more accessible. For non-native speakers, hearing-impaired participants, or just noisy coffee shops, live captions make it easy for everyone to follow along. Leading companies trust Google Meet. What is the difference between Google Hangouts, Hangouts Meet, and Google Meet? Hangouts Meet and Hangouts Chat were rebranded to Google Meet and Google Chat in April 2020. Google announced in 2019 that they would be migrating all classic Hangouts users to the new Meet and Chat products. In order to provide enterprise-grade online video conferencing to everyone, Google announced a free version of Google Meet in May 2020. Outro. Well, I hope you guys like my video. Please share your thoughts about my topic today in the comments section and I'm gonna do my best to read them and make an immediate reply to each of you. I'll be seeing you in my next video.